Okay, so I have a song for you today. It's not a workshop, it's actually a song. And it's based on how exactly, well, almost exactly, we read English letters, the vocabulary. So are you ready? Let's get started. Knowledge εσώνομαι informataion products. Number 3 HQ Sondensreataion Workshop number 6 Overview. Did you like my song? So welcome back to the Knowledge Economy Success Blueprint. Today we are diving deeper into the world of information products. We already discussed understanding information products and market research for information products. Now the next step is high quality content creation, high quality information products. And I'm doing this workshop before I share theory on the blog because I want to highlight something very important. It's a little tiny detail, but it's a detail that makes all the difference. So let's get started right away. So let's discuss the two key aspects, two key elements that we need to have in order to succeed with information products. The number one thing is how exactly we present the products, and the second thing is the number one competitive advantage in this industry. And the number one competitive advantage, we already discussed that, is, if you go here, the latest article, Knowledge Economy Theory Hub, is agility and innovation. We need to be agile and respond to market changes, market demands, and we need to offer something new. We need to be innovative. Innovation. But innovation alone is not enough. We need also to present our products effectively. And I discuss product positioning in this article, consumer analysis and marketing strategy, or decrypting consumer behavior. You'll find it on the blog. I share the market parallax model in its entirety. It consists of 5 stages: consumer behavior, research and analysis, market segmentation, targeting, positioning, and testing. So if you want to dive deeper into the world of product positioning, here is where you go. Product positioning, and how exactly we position our product and our brand is how people, potential customers, will perceive our brand and our products. And so the next step is discussing in this article consumer perception, because positioning affects perception, and I have another extensive guide on consumer perception. I examine only these aspects. So if you want to dive deeper into the world of consumer behavior generally, I have a series of articles that you will find on the blog. So let's examine these two key aspects, positioning and innovation, in order to create high quality information products. In the knowledge economy, high quality content creation is the basis, is the backbone of any successful information product. Whether we are developing videos, tutorials, workshops, online courses, or eBooks, the way we create and present these products is key to engaging and educating our audience. And more than ever, innovation is essential because we want to stand out. And the only way to stand out in a crowded market is by innovating. And today we'll be discussing the 3 key aspects of high quality content creation and how exactly innovation can elevate each one of those aspects. So we discussed positioning and innovation, the 2 key elements that will define success with information products, and now we want to discuss the 3 key aspects of high quality content creation. And the first aspect is content strategy and planning. Successful businesses depend on strategy, having an action plan. Because without a strategy, it's like we are moving forward with our eyes closed. But successful businesses depend on strategy. And how we develop our strategy, we need to examine three key things. First thing, we want to examine consumers, potential customers, consumer behavior. Next, we examine the industry as a whole, and then we examine the competition, what our competition does. That's exactly the framework inside the 7 ideals methodology. And when we examine what consumers want, the industry, what affects the industry, the key stakeholders in the industry, and what our competition does, then we set goals in order to achieve certain things, specific things, and we develop our strategy. This strategy acts as a roadmap so we can move forward with our eyes open. That's why we develop our strategy. And strategy originates, is a concept that originates from the military, and then it expanded upon other domains like sports, business, and many more. So before we create anything, before we create an information product, we want to have a solid strategy in place. Content strategy involves outlining our product, choosing the right formats, and ensuring alignment with our audience needs. That's why we examine consumer behavior. And it does not stop there. This is where innovation begins in order to give us this boost. So innovation in strategy. Now, there are traditional formats like text-based PDFs or static videos, but there are also interactive and dynamic approaches like gamified learning, interactive infographics, or modular content. And I recommend that we take advantage of both traditional formats and new interactive experiences in order to allow our audience learners to pick and choose what's most relevant to them. And then we have the mediums, how exactly we deliver these information products. We have innovative media like podcasts, video series, or augmented reality. And these innovative media provide experiences in order to engage different learning styles, because some people prefer other types of other mediums, other people are interested in other mediums. So we need to have a balanced approach in order to attract as many people as we can with our content, with our information products. The goal is to elevate the content experience and making it engaging and educational as well. So let's move on to the second key aspect of high quality content creation, and that's creating engaging and valuable content. It's the heart of this process. So our content needs to be more than just informative. It should be engaging, memorable, and valuable. Now, traditional methods of content creation might not be enough to capture attention, because today's landscape is fast-paced. Everything is happening so fast, so we need to get attention. And traditional methods might not be as effective as we want. So we have innovation in content creation. What innovation can do? We can leverage interactive elements like quizzes and real-time polls and challenges to make our content active rather than passive. And we also want to consider using AI tools, artificial intelligence, content creation tools that can help us in gathering data, analyzing trends, and with automative and repetitive tasks. But we also want to add our personal expertise and touch. We don't just want to use AI tools alone. That's very important. Personal touch, personal expertise. And innovation in personalization and engagement. So innovative content is customized and dynamic. And if we offer personalized learning paths where our audience can choose their own journey, this will make the experience feel tailored and unique, and thus it will increase their engagement and retention of the material, of the information product that we provided. Engaging, valuable content, memorable experiences, not just traditional content, interactive elements. We want to create active content, not just passive. And we have AI to help us with data, with trends, with repetitive tasks, but we also want our personal touch. And also customized and dynamic, personalized learning paths where the audience can choose their own journey. That's number 2 key aspect of high quality content creation. So the third key aspect of high quality content creation is ensuring accuracy and credibility. This is how we build trust and authority. Accuracy and credibility are the foundation of authority in any niche. So our content should not only engage, but also provide real, valuable insights that our audience can appreciate and trust. So let's discuss innovation in credibility. We can use AI, artificial intelligence, and big data tools, so we can keep our research up to date and relevant. We can integrate live updates or dynamic case studies into our content. And so this way we allow our audience to explore real-world examples that evolve with current trends. And this shows that we are ahead of the competition, that we are staying ahead of the curve, and reinforces our position as a leader in our industry. And innovation in thorough research and resources. As I say, not static info. Rather than relying on static information, we can use innovative research tools and platforms to gather fresh insights. And our ability to incorporate real-time data and provide fact-checking tools will build authority and will increase trust with our audience. That's the third key aspect of high-quality content creation for information products. So let's again summarize why innovation is essential and why it's an evolving process. It's a continuous process that always evolves over time because the market changes, consumer needs change, and we need to be agile and forward-thinking. And the key to success in content creation within the knowledge economy is innovation, but constant, continuous innovation. And it's not just about using the latest tools or technology. It's about rethinking how content can be delivered, personalized, and engaged with. Innovation comes in many forms and ways. It can be innovation can be in the product itself, or it can be in customer service, or in distribution, or in follow-up. And by integrating innovative approaches at every stage of content creation, this is how we can meet and exceed the expectations of our audience in a fast-paced world, in a fast-paced market. So innovation, continuous innovation, new ways of distributing, creating products, delivering, providing customer service. So now I have a question for you. I'm going to develop information products for various industries that I'll be showcasing as case studies in the knowledge economy success blueprint. And I'm waiting for your suggestions, your proposals, your recommendations. Which industry will that be? So if you have any suggestion, don't hesitate to contact me. And that's what's coming next. We have theory on the blog, high quality content creation for information products. I'll be analyzing this section thoroughly. Keep an eye on the next workshops and in the first information product that I'll be releasing in just days from now. I'm in the last phase in the design process. The information product is ready. It's not something expensive, it's something small to keep things rolling for our case studies and for my other goals as well. The theory page, the workshops page, and if you want access to the solutions to problems and the exclusive workshops and the upcoming live challenge, Just sign up for the free membership with your email address. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon in workshop number 7. Take care.